Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Larp here. Let me get you something more comfortable. There we go. Hey, there we go. Come on, let's go down to my office. Oh, hey, how are you doing? Welcome to my office. This is Nature Pals with Larp. Tonight's episode is about plants. Plants are a very valuable part of our ecosystem. That being said, let's go check out some plants. This is a very rare kernel angusi, very rare north of the Mason-Dixon line. This is a frost-stained juniper rose. Not much of a rose if you ask me. This is a very sensitive red Last time I touched a flower like that, Jesus Christ! Oh hey, guess what time it is? That's right, mail time! Our first letter comes from Joseph Young. Hi Larp, I'm Joseph Young and I was introduced to a game show the other day to get myself a girlfriend. Do you have any advice for me? Well Joseph, as everybody knows, Larp the Mountain Warden works alone. Try washing your body, combing your hair, wearing pants. It all helps. Time for our next letter. Hi, I'm Lokir from Rorikstead, and I was wondering, why do you translate all of your mail to such giant scrolls? Also, can you steal a horse for me? Well, Loki from Rorikstead, I can't help you with the horse thing, but these glasses are here for a reason. On to our next letter. Hi, my name is Susie Wells, and I just wanted to tell you that I wake up every morning at 5 o'clock to watch your show. Also, I would like to rub your hot naked... Oh, okay, you know what, no. Yep, figure out your own damn problems. I'm not doing this today. You know, sometimes in nature can get pretty depressing. You just need to go on a walk. Come on. Always listen to your parents. Chances are, they're older than you. Don't need spare change. Don't skin your cat. If you're thinking about starting a dictatorship, don't do it. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Since you're here, let's go check out some firearms. Gun safety. Let's face it, you're in the woods. You need a gun. Let's go over the basics. That's called the butt. Not like our butts per se, but a butt nonetheless. After that is the middle thing that you pull to fire the bad dookie. Above that is 2 long magnifier glasses you look through. Below that is the hole you put bullets into. And that long arm is a bullet that the dookie comes out of. Now that we've gone over the basics, you should be comfortable handling this firearm in any situation. Oh my god! Okay. Hey, nature pals. Thanks for tuning in to this week's special. Come in next week when we talk about rocks. See ya. Beep 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 boop boop boop. Beep beep doo.